Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. It's January 2024. We've been busy as ever building our truck mounts. Our Blue Baron truck mounts have 7 models. Typically, a lot of people like the 47 as well as the 45 compact series and all the others as well. But we've just been really busy because we put out high quality. I've been doing this 18 years building. And the icon of our Blue Baron series of truck mounts is its access point heat exchanger, which is 3,500 pounds pressure rated. You can get high pressure jobs by using this heater and not worry about, the cheap copper tube and fin doesn't last. But with this high pressure stainless heavy wall tubing, you'll get all that you need from a heat exchanger. You'll get great heat, versatility, and it will last you a long, long time. And that's what we build. That's the icon of what we do for our Blue Baron series of truck mounts. And our compact series, Blue Barons are really doing well. We've sold another 47 XL, got another one coming in. We've just been busy all the way around in providing the very best this industry has to offer. So if you need a header, we can provide a header for you. It can be 1.5 or 1 1/4 or 1 inch. In this case, we start out as 1 inch. For the small block coilers, they're typically, just like the Honda and the Vanguards. We do build a universal header. So if you need a header and you can't use the one that's on your machine, we can build one for you to make compatibility and hookup between a 1.5 and a 1.5 inlet at the bottom. And that is what it's all about, is us providing the very best this industry has to offer with a lot of choices on hand. In this case, this is a D style where it just comes straight in from one end and leaves through the other. There's a certain amount of residuality. Very safe to use this unit. We've been 18 years building this patented heat exchanger, sold all over the world. We've even sold to John Donne for the Pro-Chem aftermarkets like the 405s, the Legend series truck mounts that weren't able to get a heater. They stopped making them. So we're here to save the day for the industry and help keep things going for all the carpet cleaning guys out there, floor care people. So if you're interested in buying an access point heat exchanger, just give us a call today at 727-505-2989. We can make any inlet that you want in any size that you need for it, compatible and tailored for your truck mount. We also, like I said, we have the 3/8 mil pipe threads for your water connection. Doesn't matter which side you hook it up, real easy hookup. We have mounting feet at the bottom, brackets, 3/16 thick stainless flat bar with elongated 3/8 holes. We can make them at any distance, center to center, that you require for your flat plate or your mounting plate on your truck mount. So, call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll help you out in any way we can. Oftentimes I find myself, exchanging drawings and ideas. If you wanted to do FaceTime, we could do that as well to make it work for you. And that's what it's all about for Blue Baron Factory. Our customer service is second to none, a quality of our products. So call us today at 727-505-2989 or look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. My name is Pete. I'm the originator and owner of Blue Baron, and I build all these units and designed all these units for the floor care industry. Also, you can find us first on the list at truck mount heat exchangers or carpet cleaning heat exchangers. Google us today and you'll find out we're at the top of the search engines, and for a reason. Thank you.